Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Datura poisoning. So Datura is basically a member of Solanaceae family and it belongs to the genus Datura. The family consists of many species. Example: Datura alba, Datura niger, Datura ferox, Datura stramonium. So the name are given basically on the base of the flowers, you can say. So Datura alba has white flowers. Datura niger usually have purple or blackish colored flowers. Datura stramonium is fruit that is known as thornapple. So these are the basic, you can say, main species that belongs to the genus Datura. So all parts of these plant are poisonous, and most toxic part is being seeds. So seeds are the most toxic part in case of Datura. So this is an important question regarding your examination point of view. So other name of Daturas, as you can say in a competitive exam, these name usually appears. Thorn apple, Jimson's wheat, devil's trumpet. So these are the name given to the Datura, or you can say different names given to it. So what is the mechanism of action? So the mechanism of action is usually simple. In this case, the hyoscine, or you can say scopolamine and atropine, they blocks the acetylcholine receptors, and when they will block the acetylcholine receptor, it produces sympathomimetic and parasympatholytic action. So in early phases it is CNS stimulant, but in later phases, or you can say in later stages, it turns into CNS depressant, and that usually leads to the respiratory center, you can say, paralysis or the depression of the respiratory center. So in case of Datura poisoning, what are the main sign and symptom that we usually see in the patient? So we will see that usually the symptoms appear in 30 to 60 minutes after the ingestion of the Datura seeds, or you can say any part of the plant, because the whole plant is poisonous. So I have tried to write here 9 Ds that are important regarding Datura poisoning. So there will be dryness of mouth, there will be dysphagia. Dysphagia is nothing but difficulty in swallowing. There will be dysarthria, that is difficulty in talking. Dilated pupils will be there, dry hot skin will be there, delirium will be there, drunken gait will be there of the patient, and dilatation of the cutaneous blood vessels and drowsiness, and ultimately if in fatal dose, Datura can lead to death also. So these are all the main 9 symptoms that you can memorize easily by remembering just these 9 Ds. So what is the fatal dose? So fatal dose of Datura is 50 to 125 seeds. So what is the treatment of Datura poisoning? If someone has consumed Datura knowingly or unknowingly, so how will you treat that patient? So basically gastric lavage is given with tannic acid, KMNO4 or activated charcoal. So this is the first step as a emergency doctor that you have to do. Also, activated charcoal should be given with sorbitol, and additional doses may be repeated at 1 and 2 hour interval for proper gut decontamination. Supportive treatments is also the baseline of this, you can say, treatment therapy. So it can be given like anticonvulsants, short acting barbiturates, oxygen inhalation, and controlling of the body temperature. So this is all about the Datura poisoning short review, and you can definitely check out this video as it basically covers all the important points regarding to the Datura poisoning. I hope you like this short summarized video of the Datura poisoning. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.